Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. This is going to be our top 3 moderate resorts at Walt Disney World. We're going to do our list a little different than everyone else and just hit the highlights of each resort. Because who's got time for every little detail? Let's see if we can do this in 2 minutes or less. We'll start the timer after the intro. So let's get into it. Roll that intro. At number 3, we have Disney's Port Orleans Riverside. This resort is number 3 because this resort has some laid-back southern charm, and the grounds are beautiful here. You can take a boat ride to Disney Springs on the Sassagoula River. If you haven't visited Yeehaw Bob at the River Roost Lounge, you're missing out. The royal guest rooms here are filled with theming from The Princess and the Frog, and they're sure to excite your little princess. At number 2, we have Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. This resort is number 2 because the dig site is one of the best pools at any Disney resort. The new Grand Destino Tower is new. It doesn't feel like a moderate, and it has a club lounge like the deluxe resorts. The restaurants here are among our favorite of any moderate resort, with the top being the amazing rooftop restaurant, Toledo. The views from that restaurant are awesome. We also love the Southwest theming here at this resort. The number 1 moderate resort is Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. This resort is number 1 because it has the best transportation options to the parks out of all the moderate resorts because of the Skyliner. The property and rooms have all recently been updated. Your kids can enjoy a fun pirate cruise around the resort. It has one of our favorite quick service restaurants in the Spyglass Grill. Chorizo Burger, yes please. The main pool here is themed like a colonial Spanish fortress, and your kids will love it. Woo! How'd we do? Did we make it? Make sure you stick around to watch another video. Don't forget to drop a like in this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you're not. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.